Hello everyone, my name is Hitesh and I welcome you all to YouTube channel of Trade Brains. Today through this video, I'll be giving you a brief demo as to how does one buy or sell on the web application of Kotak Securities, and I'll also show you how does one add derivatives data on the watch list and how do you buy and sell those also. Let us jump right into discussion for that. Now if you can see on my screen, I have got 3 scripts which are added on my watch list. I can choose to add more if I want to. I want to add details about State Bank of India. So I can directly choose, click here, and it gets added onto my watch list. That is how simple and easy it is to add data on the watch list. Now the next thing which we would want to understand is how do we go about adding derivatives data. Say I want to add Nifty 18,300 call option expiring this week, that is 28th of October 2021. I choose the data and it gets added onto screen here. And similarly, I can also add data about put option if I want to add. I want to add 18,100 put option expiring this week again, and I can directly add it on the watch list. So that is how simple it is to add or delete data. Now the next important point here is this: how to go about placing order for buy or sell. Say I want to buy one share of Kotak Bank. So I click on the Kotak Bank symbol and it gives me the option of buying here. A ticket opens up. Now this ticket is very interactive. It gives you a lot of details. For starters, it gives me details about the segment, the stock which I am buying, selling, the quantity which I want to buy. Say I want to buy one share. The type of order I want to place. I want to place a limit order. Limit order basically gives me the option to specify the price at which I want to buy. Similarly, market order basically hits the market at whatever price is available at offer and I buy at that price. You can also place the stop loss here, or you can also place the stop loss market here. So everything has been put under one tab itself. Say I want to buy at 2,140, which is 17 rupees away from the current price, and I can buy it for say normal trading, for margin trading, or for delivery purpose, or for MIS. MIS margin intraday square off, which means whatever I buy right now, that will be squared off 5 minutes before the close of the market. So this is all the information available. Plus you also get to see the order depth as to a different level of prices, how many bids are standing and how many offers are standing in the market. So this is a very simple and easy ticket to be used. And once you have checked all the data you want to see and you want to place an order, you can simply click on the tab of place order and the order gets placed on your screen. Similarly, if you want to sell a script which you are holding, or if you want to sell it, short sell for the day trading purpose, you can again choose the bank or the share which you want to sell for day trading purpose, or you want to exit your long-term position, you have to sell it. You choose the quantity, you choose the price, check out all the important information and you can directly place the order. And then you click on the option of place order and the order gets placed on the screen. Now this is how simple and easy it is to buy or sell any stock. Now the next important thing which you learn about, how does one go about buying derivatives, call option, put option, or even for futures contract also. For call option, you want to buy say 18,200 call option, you click on the buy tab, again a ticket opens up. You also get to see the price at which that particular derivative is trading. Say 18,200 call option is trading at 108 rupees 70 paisa. You can choose the lot you want to buy, 1 lot, 2 lot, 3 lot, and also specify the number of shares which are part of that lot. So it is very easy to use. You can find out which share I am buying, what is the quantity I am buying, and then you go about taking an informed judgment based on that. Once you have chosen the price to buy, you can directly place the order. And you can do the same thing for selling. If you want to sell this particular call option, then you basically directly click here on the place order and it just basically goes through on the market. So that is how easy it is to buy or sell any option. Next important thing is that how does one go about adding the futures data and how do you buy and sell that. Say I want to trade futures of ICICI Bank and I want to trade say October expiry futures. So I can choose the October expiry futures and it gets added on my screen here. You can see ICICI Bank 28 October 2021. I can buy it. You can see the price at which it's trading, and you can also see the number of shares which are a part of one lot of ICICI Bank, which is 1375 as I have highlighted on the screen. So all the information is available on the ticket, so you don't have to go different place and find out how many shares I'm buying. Is it worth buying that many shares? No, everything is placed at one place. You choose the price at which you want to buy and sell, you place the order and it goes through. So that is how simple it is to buy and sell on the web application of Kotak Securities. If you have any more doubts about this feature of buying and selling, put in the comment section. I'll be more than glad to answer it. And if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button because fresh content is coming on a regular basis. I thank you for your patient hearing. I'll again see you in future with financial education. Thank you so much.